Do you always find parking a car a difficult task? Ford is here to help you with their latest Active Park Assist 2.0 feature. This system can detect and automatically park your Ford vehicle in a perpendicular or parallel parking spot at the touch of just one button. To use this feature, press on the Active Park Assist button and turn on either the right or left turn signal in order for the system to start detecting a parking spot to the right or the left of the vehicle. You can select either a parallel or perpendicular parking spot from the touchscreen. Once the system detects a suitable parking spot, it will notify you to stop, place the vehicle into neutral, and hold the Active Park Assist button. At this point, the vehicle will take over the steering, accelerating, and braking until it has finished the parking maneuver. All you have to do is hold the Active Park Assist button. If you let go, the vehicle will automatically stop. If you want to know more about the 2020 Ford Escape Hybrid, click on this video card to see the review. As well, don't forget to subscribe for new weekly content.